guys, and welcome back to Creative Cooking with Judy Cooking 360. Today we're making Brussels sprouts with turkey bacon and Brussels sprouts. Now it's the easiest thing. I know I say that a lot about a lot of different things, but this is very easy to make. It's not something you have to stand over. We're gonna put this in the oven. And let it cook. I'm just slicing them in halves. See that? Slicing them in halves so that it cooks easily. We're gonna throw some seasoning on here. Thank you guys for always watching my channel. A big thank you to all my subscribers and all new people that are watching. I really appreciate it. So, I'm gonna cut these up, finish cutting them up, and you'll see what we're gonna do next. I just wanted to show you the bottoms. These are the bottoms. So what we do is cut it off, and then we cut it in two so that it can bake easily and come out tender and delicious. All right. So you can pour whatever oil you choose over it. But I'm gonna put at least 2 tablespoons of oil on here. And this is celery salt. I like using this on vegetables because it gives it a really good flavor. So you're looking at maybe about a teaspoon. This is a pound of Brussels sprouts. And then we're gonna do just about a half a teaspoon of black pepper. And then we're just gonna bring them together, season them up, so that everybody gets a little of everything. Okay, now we turn them back over, turn them, cut side up so that it really cooks it. Now we're going to put it in the oven 375 for 20 minutes because we don't want it to be burnt or charred, but you know, have a little color going on there. Okay, so we'll come back after it's finished in the oven. How about that? Spread them out a little. Give them some space here. So now that our Brussels sprouts have been baked at 375 for 20 minutes, I'm gonna make the bacon to go with it. Now this is turkey bacon, guys. It's up to you what kind of bacon you want to use. All up to you. I'm only going to use a half of this. This is about a pound. I'm just going to use a half of this. Cut them up in little pieces. We want even sizes with everything. Then we're going to cook this off. Okay. And then I'm going to use a half of an onion, because we want to make this special, not just plain old Brussels sprouts. We want it to be delicious. And tasty, flavorful, everything that is good. Turn this halfway down. Give this a little stir. Turn it back up a little. Put our onions in. Get them cooking. Turn that down a little. I'm going to use less than a half of a red pepper. Smelling good already, guys. my one garlic, one clove of garlic. I love cooking with garlic. Plus, it's good for you. Okay. There you have it. We're making Brussels sprouts and turkey bacon. So here is my Brussels sprouts all cooked up. Now if you notice, I didn't put any seasoning in here. The only thing I may put in here is a little black pepper, because the celery salt that I use tends to be a little salty. That's why I only use a little. Now we can add our Brussels sprouts. That was nicely cooked, nicely baked off. See, they have a little char on them. Turn my stove halfway down here. Maybe add just a little bit more oil in here. We're not going to use the leaves that I burned. That's the good part. And here we go, guys. Our Brussels sprouts with turkey bacon. This I can turn off now. All delicious. Okay, don't go running away now. There we have it, guys. Our delicious Brussels sprout with turkey bacon. Thanks for watching, guys. And see you next time on Judy Cooking 360.